name is Jim Armstrong. I own and operate Master Machining Incorporated in Troy, Michigan. We've been in business for over 30 years now. We do a lot of production and prototype machining. We work with a lot of the production facilities in our area, and we do machine parts for them. We do forms, we do all kinds of different stuff, and we work with a lot of exotic materials, tool steels, all kinds of different stuff. Yeah, so we're trying to take on some new work. We'd like to do some CNC milling or turning for anybody out there that's looking for that to be done. We can do small volume prototype stuff or high volume production work, either way. Like I said, we can do any material that you need done. Timing, we have open machines as we speak, so we can add your work to the schedule immediately and get it out to you as soon as you need it. Our phone number is 248-509-7185. Our email address is mastermachining1535@gmail.com, and you can visit our website at mastermachining.net.